I'm going to be showing you today the WISE watch. This is a watch manufactured by WISeID, which includes a digital identity inside the watch. The watch transfers my identity via NFC, either to devices, could be access control, like we're going to show you how to open a door of the headquarters of WISeID, or to your mobile phone, or to your desktop. So the first thing is I'm going to be going inside my office, WISeID headquarters, and I'm going to use a reader that is already locked into my door that has two things, that has two factors authentication. One is biometric with my fingerprint, and second, my identity, which is going to be sent from the watch. So I need to do, like I'm doing here, fingerprint recognition, and now I am opening the door. So I can access my offices. So now we are inside WISeID. In WISeID, all the doors have this type of access control locks, which is produced by another Swiss company, by the way. And my watch, which has my identity, has authority to access different locks in different places in WISeID. Depending who you are in the identity means what type of certificate attribute you have. If you have a technology attribute, you can access the data centers. If you are the CEO, you can access your office. If you are a developer, you can access the lab. Each of us have a different identity on our watches, and through those watches or smart card, because you can also use a smart card for that, will allow you to access or to enter into a secure environment. Obviously, everybody is free to access WISeID through the same way I did it before, and just now I am exiting the company. So now we are at the WISeID data center, and the same thing, I'm going to try with my watch that has my identity to access an ultra secure facility on where WISeID has cryptographic keys. So this is a very large data center that we have. And the same thing, we have the same type of readers, access control readers that we had in the WISeID offices. But here I cannot enter alone, I need two persons. So we're going to be combining my identity with Kevin biometrics in order to access our ultra high secure facility. So I'm going to do the same thing. The watch has my identity through NFC. This is an NFC reader, and it's going to request the biometrics from Kevin. So I go like this. Okay. The system is now flashing. Requires the biometrics. Kevin is going to produce those biometrics, and now we can access the WISeID data center.
So now that we're in the main data center, we've completed the two-person access procedure. Carlos presented his watch and I presented my biometric ID. Now to get into tier 2 access, I can enter alone with my ID. Let's try and figure it out with the WISeWatch. There we go.